Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my dear sons. How are you? I miss you so much. Grade 6. Let's complete our study. After watching the video I sent to you, let's speak about our topic today. It's comparative. By the end of this session, you will be able to identify how to compare two objects. Say or write simple sentences using a comparative. Now let's learn about comparatives. First of all, we should know what an adjective is. It's a word that describes a noun. This noun may be a person, thing, or an animal. For example, Europa is tall. In this sentence, the word tall describes Europa. But we should know that there are two types of adjectives. The first one, short adjective, which consists of one syllable. For example, tall, short, high, long, old. And the other type is long adjective, which consists of more than one syllable, like difficult, beautiful, dangerous, delicious, famous. Now, let's speak about how to compare. First, if the adjective is short. Examples: Ali is taller than Omar. Muhammad is shorter than Ahmad. Let us see more examples. Mr. Owen and Andy. Mr. Owen is tall, so we can say Mr. Owen is taller than Andy. Andy is short, so we can say Andy is shorter than Mr. Owen. Another example, Jack and Mike. Jack is short, Mike is tall, so we can say Jack is shorter than Mike. Mike is taller than Jack. As we saw in these examples, to compare between two persons or things, we add er to the adjective, then we put than. So, long will be longer than, tall will be taller than, short will be shorter than, small will be smaller than, light lighter than, old older than, strong stronger than. Now look carefully at the following examples. Miss Lee is nicer than Mr. Green. Nicer than. Look at the adjective nice. It ending in E, so we add only R to it. So if the short adjective ending in E, we add only R, like large, larger than, huge, huger than, cute, cuter than, strange, stranger than, wise, wiser than. Another note. Look. Miss Lee is happier than Mr. Green. Happier than. Look at the adjective happy. It ending in Y, and before the Y, P. It's a consonant. So we omit Y and add I-E-R. Heavy, heavier than. Funny, funnier than. Pretty, prettier than. Another note. Mr. Smith is fatter than Mr. Green. Fatter than. Look at the adjective fat. It ending in T, consonant, and before it a vowel. So we doubled the letter T. Fat, fatter than. Big, bigger than. Thin, thinner than. Hot, hotter than. Sad, sadder than. Now let's speak about long adjective, which consists of more than one syllable, as we know. Look, Jack is quite sociable. Mike is very sociable. So we can say Mike is more sociable than Jack. More examples. Lion is more dangerous than rat. Huda is more beautiful than Mona. Science is more difficult than English. The match is more interesting than the film. So, for long adjectives, we use more plus long adjective plus than. But we should know that there are irregular adjectives which have no specific role, and we should memorize how to compare with them. Example, good, it will be better, better than. Bad, it will be worse, worse than. Far, it will be farther than. Examples, Paris is farther from here than Berlin. Today the weather is better. My car is worse than Jack's. Now let's practice. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Ahmed is than his friend. Old, older, oldest. Excellent. He is comparing between Ahmed and his friend. So it will be older. Number 2. Andy is beautiful than Mona. Most, more, many. Excellent. He is comparing between Andy and Mona, so it will be more. Number 3. Our school is than your school. Big, bigger, biggest. Excellent. It will be bigger. Now I'll send you a link for a model. You should open and answer it and send it back to me. Don't be late. I'm waiting for you.